Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to copy board in Trello. So this is very simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. The first step is to go to your board and then click on More right here. Then simply go down until you see Copy Board. Click on it. Now choose a title for your new board. So let's choose board 3 since this is board 2. And then workspace. So select your desired workspace for your new board. If you want to keep cards, then keep this selected. If you want to keep template cards, keep this selected as well. Now, activity comments and members will not be copied to the new board, so keep in mind you will have to just add the members yourself and press create. Now the board should be created, and as you can see, board copied successfully. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.